Hello everyone, I am Anuj Singh, a BSMS dual degree student at Indian Institute of Technology BHU Varanasi. Today I am presenting my research topic probabilistic analysis of errors in sequencing and its based applications. For last couple of decades we have seen the importance of DNA and its sequencing in uncovering many principles of biological systems and therefore there is a dramatic change in sequencing technology from Sanger sequencing to next-gen sequencing. Apart from parallelism and high throughput, NGS are more prone to errors than that of Sanger sequencing method, and therefore sequencing quality is another major factor in studies such as GWAS. Because of lots of applications, sequencing quality must be evaluated in the lights of different applications. We will first try to model the error in single short DNA sequence using binomial process, and then we will approximate it to the Poisson process for genomic sequence. Furthermore, we will extend our basic model to find the probability of accuracy of the studies which involve multiple sequences. For the study, we are assuming that there is only substitution error is present in the sequencing just because of comparative higher error rates than the deletion and insertion. Secondly, all type of substitution will have same probability because we are considering average error rate. And lastly, the error at every position is independent. Now we are going to define a state sequence for a DNA sequence where there are two possibilities at each position, that is correct state denoted by W when corresponding base correctly sequenced, and state E, that is an error at position while sequencing. The probability of error state at a position which is equal to the average error rate, and independence of the each state allow us to model k error in a sequence of length n with binomial distribution. Here we just try to simulate the occurrence of error in a short DNA sequence of length 100 with the error rate of 0.2, and simulation matches to the binomial process with parameter 0.02. On the top left figure, the heat map is showing the behavior of error probability as k increases with the length, and here on the left below subplot, k equals to 0 and accuracy decreases with increases in the length of sequence. That is, the 100% accuracy of a sequence decreases with the length. Looking next, for a larger sequence such as genomic sequence, we can approximate the previous binomial model to Poisson process, where each of the three properties of Poisson process are satisfied, that are homogeneity, independence and small interval probability. The Poisson parameter for this would be different from that of binomial distribution. Moving forward from single sequences to multiple sequences, where the first case is alignment. Error in an alignment is also a binomial distribution, and it is a simple extension of previous model in error sequencing by merging of two binomial processes. For this, we are defining an alignment state sequence. Alignment state is correct only and only if the nucleotide base are correctly sequenced in the alignment position. If there is an error in any of the sequence, then the alignment is not accurate and it would be an error at that position. Probability of correct alignment state, that is PW, is equal to the product of probability of not error in sequence 1 and probability of not error in sequence 2. Probability of error alignment state will be equal to 1 minus PW, and the resultant would be the binomial distribution with parameter P, E, and ultimately it would be merging of two binomial processes. Now moving forward, when there is a multiple sequence alignment case such as motif discovery study, the alignment principle can be applied. Error in any sequence can lead to loose accuracy, and it is also a merging of multiple binomial processes. PW be the probability of correct motif sequence and P be the probability of at any position for error. Finally, the equation shows the probability of accurate sequence of length n and the number of error equals to 0. The merging process is a general idea and it can be extended beyond for the multiple application in genomics. For genome alignment, the resultant alignment is also a Poisson process. The idea of merging distribution can be applied to any study which involve alignment of multiple sequences, and the binomial distribution can be further approximated to Poisson distribution for longer sequences. Studies like GWAS and pan-cancer compare massive genomic data for new finding in disease biology, and the idea of merging can be used for systematically find the accuracy of probability. On the basis of few assumptions, the error in sequencing follows a binomial distribution for short sequences, and it can be approximated to Poisson process for longer sequences such as genomic sequences. The basic binomial model for error in sequence helps in modeling accuracy of sequencing based application, and this is the key intuition for the study. The study ultimately provides an idea of number of possible error in a given sequence or in a genomic study, as well as what is the likelihood to be 100% accurate. A study lacks in experimental data, and if we will be able to validate a model through data, then it would be favorable to produce effective error suppressing algorithms. Finally, ISMB provided me a platform for sharing my research, and therefore I would express my sincere thanks to ISMB for such a great opportunity, and finally thanks to all of the attendees.